Looking for a plant that not only looks great but also makes your home healthier? The snake plant might be the perfect choice. Known for its tall, sword-like leaves and striking patterns, this plant is more than just decoration. It's one of the best companions you can keep indoors. Snake plants are especially valued indoors because they purify the air by filtering out toxins like formaldehyde and benzene, which are commonly found in household products. What makes them unique is their ability to release oxygen at night, unlike most plants that do so only during the day. This makes them a great addition to bedrooms as they help improve air quality and create a fresher sleeping environment. Beyond air purification, snake plants thrive on neglect, making them ideal for busy households or beginners. They don't require frequent watering, tolerate low light, and can adapt to different indoor conditions with ease. Plus, their sleek and modern appearance complements any interior style, from minimalistic spaces to cozy living rooms. With all these benefits, it's clear why snake plants are considered one of the top choices for indoor gardening.